Imagine, you are in the jungle and suddenly a snake bites you. Death is standing in front of you. Will you give up? Or will a power hidden inside you awaken? This story has a life-changing moment of an old man, which will tell you how real wisdom is born. It is said that wisdom is not hidden in books, but in life experiences. The story of an old man living in a small village is a true example of this. People were convinced of his wisdom. His wisdom and foresight were discussed far and wide. One day a young man from the village gathered courage and asked the old man, "How did you become so intelligent? Did you read any special book or meet any guru?" The old man smiled and said, "Son, wisdom cannot be written in books. It is written on the pages of life. Once, I was passing through the forest. Suddenly a snake bit me. The poison started spreading and I thought I would die. At that moment, the shadow of death was hovering over my head. Then a sadhu appeared. He gave me a herb and said, 'Chew it.' I did so and gradually I got relief." The young man asked curiously, "So you learned wisdom from the sadhu?" The old man laughed and said, "No son, the sadhu gave me the herb, but I learned wisdom myself. At that time fear had surrounded me. But I did not give up. I hoped to survive. This hope, patience and courage saved me." The young man understood. He said, "So wisdom means not giving up even in difficult times?" The old man nodded and explained. Wisdom means to remain calm in every situation, to act wisely and to have a desire to learn. These qualities give the strength to face any difficulty. The young man started thinking in his mind that the real test of wisdom comes only in times of difficulty. He touched the old man's feet and took his blessings and decided to implement this lesson in his life. This story tells us that wisdom is not obtained from any exam or degree, but is developed by learning from life experiences. When we face difficulties and gather courage to fight them, only then our real wisdom awakens. So, the next time you are stuck in some difficulty, remember that this moment is the opportunity to hone your wisdom. So friends, how did you like this priceless story of wisdom? Have you ever had such a question in your mind that where does real knowledge come from? Do tell us in the comment box. If you liked this video, then definitely like, share and subscribe it. And yes, also press the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications of our every new video. Thank you.